Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. On this channel, I showcase the automotive culture and the positive impact it has on this community. If you're a car enthusiast or you like anything about cars, please be sure to hit the subscribe button for future videos. On today's video, I wanted to go over the 3 different mounting areas on my car that I like to use when I'm using an action camera. I see a lot of people using action cameras correctly and incorrectly, but hopefully I can provide some value to you guys and show you guys the best mounting points for when you're at any type of car event, track event, whatever the case may be. Additionally, I'll show you guys some actual footage from those mounts. And if it's something that you guys like, this is something you can easily implement and follow. So hopefully after today's video, you'll be able to go shoot better footage and then you can post it on your social media. So the first mounting area, which is personally my favorite, is gonna be in the tow hook. So the reason why I like this is it gets a really good low shot. The benefit of having a nice low shot in the front of whatever you're following, one, it makes it look like you're going a lot faster than you are, and then also you're capturing a lot of the foreground that is on the streets. You're able to pick up a lot more of the width of the wide shot that you're taking, and it really captures everything that you're seeing. This is extremely beneficial, especially when you're at the track. You're really able to capture everything that's going on in the track. It's not really suitable for if you are reviewing your film, if you're reviewing your driving techniques or anything like that. That you would want more of like a POV or some kind of shot in the cabin, just so that you can see exactly where you're turning in and braking and stuff like that. So another shot of your feet as well. However, for an everyday recorder, if you just have an action camera that you got as a gift, this is a great first way to start getting used to capturing footage on it. So the other part that I wanted to add for the tow hook, I did find another nice little jaw clamp that you can use with an OEM tow hook if you don't have a fancy aftermarket one. This is a small rig, and this one is super tight. Like I didn't think that it was gonna tie, or I didn't think it was gonna clamp on this little part of the tow hook, but it clamps on there real tough. Like it's not going anywhere. So I do recommend this one as well. It does have a fluid ball head on the top. You do have to get an action camera mount. And again, I just JB welded it so it doesn't go anywhere. But it is fully adjustable. As you can see, fully adjustable as in the ball head. And then you just adjust the clamp wherever you want to put it. You can also remove this head area, and then you have another, looks like a half quarter, sorry, it looks like another mounting point right here as well if you wanted to add a microphone or whatever the case may be. So this is actually really beneficial as well. So next is going to be the 3/4 glass on your car, or if it's going to be your rear passenger seat or driver's seat. So that shot is really, really cool. I enjoy it because you're capturing many different elements now within the frame. So you're capturing the driver, or if you put it on the passenger side, you're able to capture the passenger. You're able to capture your steering wheel work. So you're able to see where you're turning in and whatnot. You're able to capture some of the vehicle as well. And then most importantly, you're able to capture a lot of the environment as well. So all these different elements really create a really interesting frame for the viewer. And finally, the last mounting area that I really enjoy, the exhaust mount. So you'll see here, I basically put a suction mount, and I have put a bracket. You want to be on my show? See here on my show.
I want to go in the white room.
I mean, honestly, who doesn't like a good exhaust clip or a good exhaust note? In addition to having it in frame or a nice video of it. So the way I've attached that is a double suction mount or a single. It doesn't really matter. In this particular time when I was recording the video, I recorded with just a single, which is fine. I'll link the suction cup mount that I was using. And then basically what I use in addition to that is this bracket right here. And so what I use that for is so that I can zip tie the microphone. And then also, just because I have a single cold shoe mount on the bracket for the action camera, I put the receiver on there, and then I have the microphone on here. And then that way, it's just less things of potentially flying off, essentially. So the microphone system that I'm using is a Rode Wireless Go. I use that for when I'm talking on these videos, and then additionally when I am recording my exhaust clips. This tends to work out the best, and so I've had success in it in the little amount that I've tried. So it's basically a wireless system. You essentially could have a camera running inside the cabin, and then you can also you could be recording the exhaust note on the inside. So everything that I use for these mounts, I'll link in the description below for you guys to go check out. I do get a little bit of a commission being an Amazon affiliate. No extra charge to you guys, helps out the channel. I do appreciate that. But yeah, all the information will be down below. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you guys can go out now, shoot your footage, shoot it in a frame that you guys like, and we'll appreciate. Whether you're at a track event, a car show, or just driving the back roads, this is 3 easy ways to capture good footage on your action camera very easily. So with that being said, again, if you found value in it, please hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.